Simple solutions to life.
Make it love, simple solution. Make it love, make it love, make it love, simple solution. Make it love,
Simple solution.
Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Yes, if you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Medilock. Yes, and I'm saying a big welcome to you. Okay, please, if you're new here, you have never seen my video before, or you have been watching my video but you are not subscribed to my channel yet, please, why not subscribe to our channel? Just hit the subscribe button and join this family, because here we learn simple solution to life. Yes, and your problem is our problem and our problem is your problem. Yes, so there is no problem, there is no situation that does not have a solution. Okay, so that is what we believe here. Okay, so guys, make it a day with us. If you are new here, just join us. Okay, today I want to teach you how to use number 222, okay, to attract tremendous wealth to your life. Okay, but how do you use this? How do you use this? You are going to be needing pink salt. Okay, you will need pink salt, but if you don't have pink salt, you can use any salt of your choice or that you have at home. Okay, and you're going to be needing cloves also. You'll be needing cloves, you'll be needing pink salt, or let me say sea salt or normal salt. You'll be needing salt, okay? And then you will need a white paper like this, okay? Now, if you have a white paper like this, how do you use this, make this white paper to be spiritually viable? You will bend it like this, okay? Then you cut out the edge with your hand, not with scissors, okay? Then give it that doors, spiritual entrance, doors, okay? Just do it like this, okay? Now, when you open it up, it gives you this rough edge. Okay, so now in this particular recipe, you are going to be needing pen. I'm referring to pencil. Okay, yeah, you will be needing pencil, and then you will need 5 pieces of cloves. Okay, so now how do you put this together to make it work for you? Yes, see, before then, this is our fortune bracelet. Yes, that is good luck bracelet. They are highly fortified. Yes, and we also have our waist bead. You know, these are waist bead for protection, for favor, for a lot of things. Yes, blue eyes waist bead. We have them in different colors. Okay, so you can place order for your own wherever you are. Can send it to you, okay? And then we also have the blue eyes bracelets, both for men and for women. Yes, because we're having tremendous testimonies already. Yeah, this one is different, but we have the blue eyes bracelet already. They are all highly fortified, so don't worry. If you need favor, you need attraction, you're looking for something, just place order for it, okay? We'll send it to you. All right, so now you will be using number 222. In one of my videos, I mentioned that number 222 represent good tidings, represent good beginning of new things, tremendous things happening that is going to happen in your life. And that if you're fond of seeing these numbers, you know, Anywhere you look, you see it. When you look at your watch at times, it is when the clock is on that exact 2:22 that your eyes will go there. It's telling you something, that something great, something marvelous, something wonderful is about to start in your life. Okay, now we want to see how you can actually use your hand to invite this goodness and hasten it to performance in your life. Yes. So guys, you will use this pen, okay, to write this. You write 2, 2, 2. Okay. Two, 2, 2. Okay. You write 2. This is how I write my own 2. So you can write your own in your own way. Okay. So now this is 2. Okay. 2. Like you write 2, 2, 2. Okay. So I decided to darken it so that you can see because of the light. All right. When you have this like this, get your sea salt or get any salt that you have. I don't want salt to be a hindrance to your blessing in this 2022 that is coming, because you are going to see it and you will not die. I've always told us, you will not die until you see the result of all the breakthroughs that will manifest in your life. Okay, so you get your sea salt like this. I also upload video on TikTok. My TikTok name is Medilock YouTube. So if you are not started following me on TikTok yet, you are missing. Okay, yes now. So just, you can also follow me. Check me out on TikTok. Yeah. Okay. Now you are going to take. See. You are going to use your palm. You will put it in your dominant palm. Okay, what is dominant hand? Dominant palm or hand is that hand that you use in writing. If you use left hand to write, to do so many things, it means your dominant hand is your left hand. But if you use your right hand to write, your dominant hand is your left and is your right hand. Okay, so now you're going to put this salt in your palm, because in between your palm, even your palm that you see, is connected to your spirit. This your palm has eyes, if you don't know. This your palm has eyes. Good things coming to you, bad things coming to you, your palm used to report to you, but at times you fail to understand. At times your palm will start itching you. When you are expecting good money, your right palm will start itching you. You know, money is coming your way. But when your left palm is itching you, it's a sign that money, you're going to lose money or something. You understand? So now, this one, this salt, you will now carry it and put it on the paper. Okay? You put it on the paper like this. Okay? Now, you will get your what do they call? Yes, you will get your clove. Okay, clove seed. You are going to select 5 healthy cloves. We are talking about spiritually vibrant clove is the one that has the flower dried up inside, not the one that the flower is plucked off. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you have selected, let me show you. See, 5, right? 5 cloves. Now you will fold this You're going to fold this together. Okay, fold it towards you, because you're expecting this good thing to come to your life. Okay, so now you fold it like this. Make sure you fold it well so that the salt will not spill. Yes, now you have this. Okay, now you're going to keep this in your wallet, or you keep it under your pillow, preferably. Put it under your pillow, okay, and then you sleep with it under your pillow for 7 nights. So on the 8th day, you bring it out. Then you're going to burn it. When you burn this together with the cloves, with the salt, with the paper, what you wrote on it, you burn it together. Then you pour the ash outside. Let the ash touch the earth. Do you understand? Okay. Pour it outside, let it touch the earth, and leave the rest to God. You will be surprised. Yes, that your company that has been standing still, that is not moving, it will start working. That your business, that in fact, that your container that they have been holding down, they will release it. Whatever it is that you're selling, yes, whatever it is, even if you are selling from your home, you begin to get new orders. Things will burst out open for you. New jobs will come. Whatever it is that you're looking for, make sure you say your intention. Okay? Say that thing you want. And be very sure that you want that thing. If you want to marry a particular person, you can write it. You can say it. You can pray about it. But you will get it too. So if you know that you will not marry that person, don't pray about it, because it will happen. Okay? So make sure anything that you want, you are actually serious about it, you actually want it, then do it. You will get results. Okay? So guys, I would like to draw the curtain here. Let me do mine for you. I know some people must have stopped watching my video at this point, but that notwithstanding, thank you and God bless you for watching my video down to this moment. I love you, but God loves you more than any love that I can ever show you. Okay? So have a wonderful day. See you again in our next video. Bye.